Have you ever pondered the power of your own brain, the engine behind every thought, emotion, and memory? Welcome the fascinating realm of neuroscience, the scientific study of the nervous system. It's a field that seeks to unravel the mysteries of the most complex organ in the human body, the brain. Every day, this intricate network of neurons and synapses orchestrates a symphony of cognitive processes, allowing us to think, feel, and remember. It's responsible for our ability to solve problems, experience joy, sadness, and every other emotion in between, and to keep the memories that shape who we are. Indeed, the human brain is a marvel of nature, a masterpiece of evolution that's at the heart of our very existence. It's a vast, largely uncharted territory, ripe for exploration and discovery. So join us as we embark on an enlightening journey into the human brain. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the human brain. The brain, a 3-pound wonder, holds the key to who we are. This marvel of nature is structured in an intricate manner, each part serving its unique purpose in the symphony of our existence. Let's break it down. At the helm of this structure, we have the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. It's like the captain of a ship, responsible for all voluntary actions we perform. Divided into 2 hemispheres, the cerebrum is the seat of intelligence, interpreting sensations, initiating body movements, and controlling complex behaviors. It's the cerebrum that lets us paint a picture, solve a puzzle, or compose a symphony. Next up, we have the cerebellum, the little brain that sits at the back of the head. Though smaller in size, it holds nearly half of the brain's neurons. This second-in-command coordinates and regulates muscular activity and maintains posture and balance. So, when you're dancing to your favorite tune or riding a bicycle, remember to thank your cerebellum for keeping you in rhythm and upright. Last but not least, nestled deep within the brain, is the brainstem. This is our autopilot, controlling the functions vital to life. It regulates our heart rate, breathing, and sleep cycles, among other things. Without the brainstem, we wouldn't be able to do the things we often take for granted, like blinking, swallowing, or even staying alive. In this intricate structure, each part of the brain communicates and collaborates with the others, like musicians in an orchestra, each playing their own instrument, but together creating a harmonious melody. The cerebrum conducts the ensemble, the cerebellum keeps the rhythm, and the brainstem ensures the concert goes on, even when we're asleep. And so, through this incredible orchestration, our brain enables us to experience the world, to learn and adapt, to express ourselves, and to survive. Indeed, every part of the brain has a unique and vital role, working in harmony to make us who we are. Do you ever wonder how we perceive the world around us? The answer lies in cognitive science. Cognitive science is an interdisciplinary field that explores the nature of the human mind and its processes. Imagine it as a melting pot of psychology, neuroscience, philosophy, and computer science, all working together to decode the enigma that is our brain. At the heart of cognitive science is the understanding of how we perceive and interpret the world. Our brains are not passive receptors of information. Instead, they actively construct our reality based on the sensory input they receive. This process is so efficient that we often take for granted the complex computations happening behind the scenes. Take attention, for instance. Our brains are constantly bombarded with a deluge of information. Yet, we can focus on a single conversation in a bustling coffee shop or pick out a familiar face in a crowd. This selective attention, akin to a mental spotlight, is one of the key cognitive processes that cognitive science seeks to understand. Memory, another pillar of cognitive science, is equally fascinating. Our ability to recall past experiences, recognize familiar objects, and learn new skills is a testament to the remarkable storage and retrieval system of our brain. Cognitive scientists study memory to unearth how we encode, store, and retrieve information. Then, there's decision-making. Every day we make countless decisions, from choosing what to wear to deciding which route to take to work. These decisions, whether big or small, are guided by a complex interplay of cognitive processes, including perception, memory, and reasoning. Cognitive science also delves into the realm of problem-solving, language acquisition, and even consciousness. It seeks to decode how we think, learn, perceive, and remember. By studying these cognitive processes, cognitive science helps us understand not just how we interact with the world, but also how we understand ourselves. Through cognitive science, we begin to comprehend the intricate workings of our mind's eye. The brain is the source of our mental prowess, but how does it give rise to such remarkable abilities? Let's delve into some of these mental marvels. Take creativity, for instance. This isn't just about painting a masterpiece or writing a symphony, it's an integral part of our everyday problem solving. When we're faced with a challenge, our brain doesn't just pull out a pre-made solution from its vast library. Instead, it actively generates new ideas, combining and recombining the information it has stored in novel ways. This process, largely handled by the brain's prefrontal cortex, allows us to come up with innovative solutions, whether it's figuring out how to fix a leaky faucet or designing a groundbreaking piece of technology. Speaking of problem solving, it's another mental ability that's deeply rooted in our brain's functionalities. The brain acts like a high-powered processor, taking in information, analyzing it, and spitting out decisions. It's a complex dance between different brain regions. The frontal lobes handle planning and decision-making, while the parietal lobes process sensory information. The hippocampus, meanwhile, pulls from our memory to provide context to the problem at hand. Then there's emotional intelligence, the ability to recognize and manage our own emotions and understand those of others. This ability is largely centralized in the brain's limbic system, which includes the amygdala and the hippocampus. The amygdala helps us process emotions and emotional memories, while the hippocampus aids in forming new memories, including those related to emotions. These are just a few examples of the mental abilities that our brain empowers us with. They emerge from the complex interplay of various brain processes, each one a testament to the intricate workings of our brain. The brain is not just a passive receptacle of information, but an active, dynamic organ that shapes our understanding of the world and our place in it. Our mental abilities, remarkable as they are indeed a testament to the brain's extraordinary power. Imagine if we could enhance our brain's capabilities. What would that future look like? The realm of neuroscience holds the key to unlocking this future, a future where brain enhancement could become an everyday reality. As we delve deeper into the mind's complexities, we uncover the fascinating concept of neuroplasticity. This is the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself, creating new neural pathways and adjusting existing ones in response to new experiences, learning, and even injury. It's like the brain's own personal renovation system, always ready to adapt and improve. But it's not just about the physical structure of the brain. Cognitive training, a form of mental exercise, also plays a pivotal role in brain enhancement. Just like how we build muscles in the gym, cognitive exercises strengthen our mental faculties. Memory games, problem-solving tasks, and mindfulness practices are all part of this cognitive workout, helping to sharpen our memory, improve our attention span, and boost our problem-solving skills. Now, imagine the possibilities if we could amplify these effects. Could we achieve a heightened state of mental acuity? Might we unlock abilities like photographic memory or super-fast cognitive processing? The answers to these questions lie in the future of neuroscience. Yet, as we stand on the brink of these advancements, we must also consider the ethical implications. Brain enhancement could open up new avenues for human potential, but it also poses questions about identity, fairness, and access. Who gets to enhance their brain? And who decides what constitutes enhancement? These are complex issues that we, as a society, will need to grapple with as we navigate this new frontier. In essence, the potential for brain enhancement is both exhilarating and challenging. It presents an opportunity to redefine the limits of human cognition, to push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. But it also demands careful consideration of the ethical dimensions that come with such power. Brain enhancement, while still a frontier, could reshape our understanding of human potential. As we conclude our journey, let us marvel once more at the complexity and power of the brain. This intricate organ, with its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, orchestrates our every thought, emotion, and action. It's a masterpiece of nature, a testament to the marvels of evolution. In our exploration, we've delved into the brain's structure and function, peered into the mind's eye through cognitive science, and marveled at the innate abilities of our minds. We've also glimpsed the future of neuroscience, where brain enhancement could transform our potential. The importance of neuroscience in understanding our brain's power and potential cannot be overstated. It's a field that holds the keys to unlocking the mysteries of our minds, and by extension, the secrets of our very existence. In the words of Carl Sagan, the brain is like a Rosetta Stone for the universe. It's our key to understanding ourselves and our world. So let us never cease to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of the human brain.